you get lazy and do shit like this, where you're just gonna drop your wiring harness out instead of actually routing it inside the trunk properly and popping it through the trunk floor, because this happens, right? You drop this out through here and you tearing your seal. Think it through. That doesn't make any sense. The old filament in the bottom of the lamp envelope just came in handy. So you have the side marker light, obviously, the headlight, obviously. See this lamp here? Don't be confused by the reflection. This lamp here, I really had no idea what these were for, and I never took the time to find them in the wiring diagram. Just too lazy. But they're obviously there for, in the event of a headlight failure, you still have a marker light illuminating the headlight bucket. I didn't know that. Learn something new every day. Don't forget to check your license plate illumination. They got me on that on the last safety. 60 bucks for a lamp being out. Can you imagine?